Friends, like every week, to your health conference. This week our item is diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic disease in which the body has difficulty regulating blood sugar levels. This occurs because the pancreas does not produce enough insulin, a hormone that helps blood sugar enter the body's cells to not respond properly to the insulin that is produced. There are three main types of diabetes. Type 1 diabetes, which is usually diagnosed in children and young people, is characterized by a lack of insulin production and requires insulin injections daily to control blood sugar levels. Type 2 diabetes, which is usually diagnosed in adults and is the most common form of diabetes, is characterized by insulin resistance and can be controlled with changes in diet, exercise, and in some cases, medications. Gestational diabetes, that develops during pregnancy, can increase the risk of complications. Complications for both mother and baby, and in some cases, may require insulin treatment. Diabetes is a serious disease that can cause long-term complications of the eyes, kidneys, nerves, heart, and other organs. It is important for people with diabetes to control their blood sugar levels and work closely with their doctor to prevent or treat complications, but all is not lost. Science is advancing, and today we have a powerful tool to treat, stop, and in some cases, reverse type 2 diabetes. There is a powerful tool called NRF2 related to erythroid. Nuclear factor 2 is a protein that acts as a master regulator of the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory response in the body. Is active in our cells up to 18 years. After this age, the body produces it in less quantity, protects the cell from free radicals that attack it up to 10,000 times a day. Until they damage the DNA, they trigger an inherited or acquired pathology due to bad eating habits and disordered way of life. This protein is responsible for cleaning cells through three mast superoxide dismutase catalase, and glutathione is turned off by the body. This protein, so to speak, for the body to get old, sick, and die. This NRF2 protein is known for its ability to regulate the expression of various genes encoding antioxidant enzymes and phase 2 proteins in relation to diabetes. It has been found that activation of NRF2 may be beneficial in preventing and treating the disease. This is because diabetes is associated with a chronic inflammatory response and oxidative stress in the body, which can damage tissues and organs. When NRF2 is activated, it can induce the production of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory proteins, which can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. It can also improve the function of pancreatic beta cells, which are the cells responsible for producing insulin and increasing insulin sensitivity in the body. Tissues. In summary, activation of NRF2 can help prevent and treat diabetes by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, improving beta cell function, pancreatic cells, and increase insulin sensitivity. However, it is important to note that NRF2 activation should not be considered a one-size-fits-all solution for diabetes and should be used as part of a comprehensive approach that includes lifestyle changes.
Welcome. It is a privilege for me to have you here today. NRF2 is a protein that acts as an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory regulator in the body. In diabetes, oxidative stress and inflammation can damage tissues and organs. Therefore, the activation of NRF2 may be beneficial by reducing them. This may improve pancreatic beta cell function and increase insulin sensitivity. However, NRF2
activation should be used as part of a comprehensive treatment approach, including lifestyle changes and other
treatments physicians recommended by a healthcare professional. Lifestyle changes to make include healthy eating, regular exercise, and stress management. Although NRF2 therapy has shown promising results in preclinical and clinical studies, more research is still needed to establish more benefits. It is a very new therapy, but it promises to be an enormous help for the treatment of multiple chronic degenerative pathologies. It has been a real pleasure to be able to share with you this important information.
Information about diabetes and the role that NRF2 activation can play in your treatment. I hope I have provided
you with useful knowledge and tools to help you control and prevent this very common disease. Remember that. You with useful knowledge and tools to help you control and prevent this very common disease. Remember that. The treatment of diabetes requires a comprehensive approach that includes lifestyle changes, medical treatment, and possibly NRF2 therapy. I encourage you to work with your doctor to develop a treatment plan that is suitable for your needs and lifestyle. Finally, I would like to thank you for your time and attention in this conference. I hope that this information is useful to you and that you can apply it in your lives to live in a healthier and happier way. Thanks again, and I wish you the best in your path towards health and well-being.
In summary, we have seen that the scientific evidence on the activation of NRF2 and its impact on health is very promising. There are studies that support the idea that the consumption of certain nutrients and bioactive compounds can increase the activation of NRF2, which in turn can protect against various diseases and improve quality of life. We hope this conference was informative and helpful in better understanding the potential benefits of NRF2 activation. We would like to thank all attendees for their time and active participation in today's discussion. Yes, do you have any additional questions? Do not hesitate to contact us. Comment and share on your social networks. This information could be of great help to other people. Thank you for your attention.